Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Makeover Monday. So we usually take a recipe and try to make it a little bit healthier, but we are in the month of October. So instead of making over a recipe, we're just gonna make like a healthy little snack. Now, I don't know how healthy it is. It's healthier than eating a candy bar though. We are gonna be making these cute little Witch Broomsticks out of some mozzarella cheese sticks. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and Halloween, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. And check the description below. You'll find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, these are so cute. Can you see these? Super cute. And they're so easy to make. I mean, they're a little bit tricky as far as the cutting, so I don't know. Depending on what age your kids are, they may be able to help you. But anyway, you're going to take a cheese stick, so just some string cheese, and you're going to cut it right in half. And then we're going to take one of those, and instead of cutting it in the middle, we're going to take it and cut it longwise. So right in the center and then once on each side. So basically we're making 3 little cuts and you want to make sure you're using a really sharp knife to do this. All right, and then I'm going to roll it to the other side. And these cheese sticks particularly, when you roll it to the other side, it gets like skinnier. So what I like to do, if that's the case, is press it down. Sometimes they're perfectly round. I don't have to worry about that. So I'm just pressing it out a little bit just so I can get my knife in there easier. Straight through the middle and then one on each side again. And it's also a little bit easier if you have the cheese cold, if you just have freshly pulled them from the fridge. And then we're just going to kind of move our little bristles around, kind of break them apart. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're going to take a pretzel stick and we are going to pop it in the top of here. And you don't want to push down too far because if you do, the cheese will crack open. So just where it's in there and it'll kind of stick. It doesn't take a whole lot. And then we're going to take a chive. Or I'm actually using some wild onions that I had in the yard. And we're going to make a little knot. Not a knot, but we're going to tie this around here. Just so it looks a little more like a real broomstick. And that one I broke. So now we have to do another one. Let's try another one here. Sometimes they can be a little tricky. They're easy, but you just have to be really, really delicate with the... There we go. And then once I have it tied, I just kind of cut it down a little bit with my scissors. And again, just kind of flare out those little, what's supposed to be the bristles. And it should kind of stand up on its own. All right, so I will do this one more time. So we're going to cut it in the middle. And then we're going to make a cut on each side. And also only halfway up. I'm going to turn it on its side, kind of flatten it. All right, cut in the middle again. And it's so skinny, like I said, I try to flatten it out and also kind of will hold it together and try not to cut my fingers off. But that way I can really kind of get in there. All right. Pull my knife out and then we'll separate our little bristles again. There we go. We're going to put a pretzel stick in the top. And then we're going to take a chive and tie it around. Cut my little ends off. And there we have it. How cute are those? These are perfect for a little party for the kids. Look at that, standing up. And I got this little witch right here. So I'm going to photograph it like that. Isn't that cute? All right, there you have it. Super simple, pretty healthy, right? I think so. So give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.